I'm Gary Marques from the School of Accountancy. I'm the Auditing 2 course coordinator, and also involved with second year as a whole, which is of course where the Lego project has been derived and is now used. So the Lego project, we've rolled it out in second year across all sort of accounting subjects and disciplines. What it does is it brings number one, cost accounting, the one subject, to life, where you physically build the bridge and you actually see the costs being incurred and you start capturing them. And then off the back of that, what we then said was, okay, well, we've sort of done the costing for it. How do you then account for the transaction? What are the tax implications of that? And some auditing related matters around that as well. So it's really brought in sort of this experiential learning kind of pedagogy, as well as a bit of active learning pedagogy, and sort of combined them into this really nice sort of project that's also a bit of fun, and sort of gets the students sort of engaged and working together. And just adds a little bit more fun to accountancy, which is not always sort of commonplace in a normal lecture. There are 4 majors in the School of Accountancy. We've got auditing, which is myself. There's a component of accountancy, taxation, and then sort of costing and finance and so on. And what we've decided is, what happens ultimately at sort of a postgraduate level is these subjects are often integrated together. And there was sort of a need to integrate the subjects a little bit earlier on, not to as great an extent as they would be at a 4th year level or a postgraduate level. And that was sort of where one of the ideas behind this new project, this Lego project, was born. In addition to that, what we've also realized is that our students often do grapple with concepts in accountancy, in auditing, to see it sort of, and how it kind of comes to life. And the idea was at an educational conference, and somebody at the Birmingham City University used Lego as sort of this idea to show students how to cost a project, how to cost something. And I took the idea and brought it back to Wits, and we've sort of rolled it out from there. So far we've had really positive feedback about the Lego project. The student experience has been, they really enjoyed it. It was something really different. Obviously it's fun to build Lego, but also brought accountancy to life a little bit, which is the ultimate purpose and goal of this, is to physically see the accounting taking place, which is also fantastic. Yeah, also internally, just from sort of the academics perspective as well, we did have a previous project that we were unsure, should we discontinue and go with this Lego project, and the decision off the back of sort of the Lego build and how the Lego project is running is that this is something we're going to take into the future. The integration between the subjects as well has really met certain accountancy bodies' requirements around different acumens that need to be developed at a tertiary level, and as a result that's why we want to sort of keep this Lego project in place. It's really helped sort of just improve the quality of the courses, as well as the experience as well. So, yeah.